Mystery tackle box.
Mystery tackle box time. It is July 13th, 2020. We got this, what, today?
Yeah.
Got it today. So we're going to do a quick unboxing. I was hoping to get it this before we went on our camping trip this last weekend. Sorry about the wind if it's too much. We've got a dead cat on there. We're going to see how well that works. I was hoping to get this to take on the camping trip and do this video down there, but no dice. Man, it's windy all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Alright. We got our MTB Pro bass box. Before we begin, should we tell them about the like, subscribe, share thing?
Yeah.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. We greatly appreciate it, especially hitting that like button. That really helps our views go up. So if you wouldn't mind doing so, even if you don't like it, hit the like button. Come on, you can help us out, right? Alright. Anyways, Joe's gonna read. Let's go. Let's make this quick.
Western Magic Minnow.
Western Magic Minnow.
$9.99.
$9.99. $10.
$10.
So, okay, so it comes with a head, a jig head, and it comes with an extra swim bait body. The head is 11 grams or 3/8 ounce, and the total with the head and the bait is 3/4 ounce. Magic Minnow.
Well, now I know why it's $10.
Now you know why it's $10. The head looks pretty good. I think that's in focus, isn't it? Yeah, sure. That looks good. And an extra swim bait body. $10 for that. Alright, what's next?
Vexin
Dibble.
Nokin. $9. $8.99.
The what?
Vexin Nokin.
Vexin Nokin. $8.99. $9. Little square bill action. Trophy game fish. Depth 3 foot to 4 foot. 3/4 ounce. The color is Shelby Shad. Got some knockers in there too.
Nice.
Nice paint job. The Vexin Nokin. Alright. Next up.
Castaic Atlant Atlas Spinnerbait.
Ooh yeah. I was just talking my brother was just talking about this past weekend. He needs to get some more spinnerbaits. I said, why don't you subscribe to Mystery Tackle Box to get a spinnerbait every once in a while? And looky there. $8 for the Castaic Atlas Spinnerbait. White and blue. Got some willow leaves on there. 3/8 ounce. Nice.
Oh crap.
Oh
no.
boy. It's a nice looking spinnerbait. Sweet.
I'll jump down there and
Yeah,
get
we'll
it.
get it after.
Geronimo!
Alright, what's next? Let's put these on the table.
Wave fishing tiki snake.
Wave fishing tiki snake.
$5. $4.99.
5 buckaroonies.
Buckaroonies.
Get bait, get bit. Molopo infused.
Mlopo.
I don't know what that means. Okay. That's wicked looking. Look at that thing. What's that supposed to be? It's like a lizard with no legs and a twister tail.
It looks like a leech. It looks like a leech that swallowed a mouse. And it's stuck in its throat.
Okay, whatever you say. That's a good color though. I bet that'll work.
Hey Dad.
That'll work on a Texas rigger, I think. I saw it. He's real excited about one of these. Okay, how much were those? $5. Alright, what's next?
Z-Man Original Chatterbait.
He was excited about this. 3/8 ounce small one. It is pumpkin color. Green pumpkin. I love chatterbaits.
Didn't Todd catch one on a green pumpkin?
No, I caught one on a black and blue chatterbait this weekend with a green pumpkin swim bait trailer. It was a nice fish. Like, I'm talking 3-pounder. My boy who I was swimming with, you know who you are, or fishing with, you know who you are. Almost got her landed, but we didn't. She got off at the dock. That's all right. No harm, no foul. All right. How much was that chatterbait? $5?
Yep.
All right. Next one.
Primlure Speed Screamer. What?
Speed Screamer. Speed Screamer. Green pumpkin. Speed Screamer.
$3.
Made by Cream. Cream and Cream.
Creme.
Cream. How much was it? $3?
Yeah.
Another nice little grub looking bait. I think this would do really good on our back here.
Yes.
I use a lot of baby brush hog, green pumpkin color. And this is a little bit smaller. Right now we got a lot of smaller bass, so I think this would work really well. Texas rig back here. We're going to do that. How much were those? $3? Alright, what's next?
Harmony Fishing Company Razor Series EWG hooks W/bait pegs.
With bait pegs. That's pretty long. Harmony Fishing Company Razor Series extra wide gap hooks with bait pegs. $2.10 for 3 of them. Never heard of this company. Harmony. Huh, got 3 of them. Sweet. Extra wide gap. And last but not least,
The sticker.
the sticker.
The sticker.
Cool sticker. He's on a motorbike.
The sticker.
Alright. Well, that's all we got in our box. Good box. Again, I'm not going to ever cancel this subscription. As a matter of fact, excuse me, I changed up my subscription on the website for next month to get a walleye box. I really want to see what that's all about. Hopefully that's pretty cool. Most likely we'll switch back to bass after that, but I just wanted to see what one walleye box looked like. So, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video if you wouldn't mind doing so. We greatly appreciate it. You got anything you want to tell them real quick?
Yes.
What?
We've been catching fish, but I would like to catch more lakes.
Oh, did you hear that? We've been catching fish, but he'd like to catch more likes. That's a good one. Where'd you come up with that? Did you hear that somewhere?
No.
You just made that up.
Yes.
This kid's smart. That's pretty good, Joe. I like that. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
Do you want me to go get that bait now?
Yeah, please. We need it.